In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the basics recipe that everyone needs, which is vanilla cake recipe. This one is very beautiful and very easy to make, so let's go ahead and make it. The ingredients that we are going to use are 300 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, 180 grams of butter, and 250 grams of milk, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a little bit of vanilla. To the milk, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, so we will need buttermilk. You can get your buttermilk from the supermarkets, but yeah, you can do your own at home. We will start by adding our butter into a stand mixer, and then we are going to add the sugar and the vanilla extract, and then we are going to cream all of these together. So once it's creamed and they are well combined, make sure to scrape down the bowl and then just mix them again for about 30 seconds. And then we are going to add the eggs one by one. And again, scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure that everything is combining. Now we are going to add our buttermilk. And mix again for a few seconds. And then I've mixed my baking powder with the flour, and then I'm going to add them in around 2 batches. So sometimes it depends on the type of the flour, you might need less flour, but yeah, for me 300 were enough. And make sure to not over mix the batter. So just whenever the flour is combined, add the second batch. And then I'm just going to continue mixing it with the spatula. And then I'm going to grease my baking pan. And pour the batter in the pan. As you can see, it's not very liquidy and it's not very thick, so it's kind of lava consistency. And then we are going to bake this on 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And here is our beautiful and good looking cake. So I'll leave this to cool down completely and then I'm going to enjoy it with a cup of tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.